Hey guys, Chad Jenkins with SeedSpark Collab. I want to take a few moments and look backwards and figure out where this all started. So I've outlined the 4 types of collaboration as I began on this journey, and that was all after reflection of seeing what had really created the success that I'd experienced. What was the trend line? What was the constant value creator? And as it turned out, it ended up being 4 things. But it was only one thing applied 4 different ways. And that's when I established the 4 types of collaboration. So starting all the way back when I was 8 years old, and I was growing up on a farm doing a lot of manual work in very high humidity and high temps in South Carolina, I felt like I should have been born in the middle of Manhattan. And there's no way I could ever get out of there. And it wasn't true. In that one split second, I began to see things differently. I really began to see what the opportunity was when I put one or multiple things in collaboration with each other to create value for someone else. And I continued that through many, many years and just countless number of businesses. And as I mentioned, when I began to look back, I definitely saw a pattern. And the pattern was the application of collaboration in a few different ways. So we've got a few videos that we're going to share that outline the 4 types of collaboration. Because as we assume you're the same, we hear about collaboration all the time. And there are definitely examples where true collaboration creates absolutely exponential outcomes, whether it be Nike and Tiffany's, or Kim Kardashian, or it could also be Kylie. A collaboration between her friend, her father's company, and Kylie's reach. A true testament of VCR formula. So I hope you enjoy these videos, and we'll get down to it. Thanks so much for stopping by.